Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to deploy the latest commit on Vercel. There are a few different methods depending on your situation, so I'll walk you through all the main options. The first method is the easiest. Just let Vercel handle it automatically. When you push your latest commit to your Git repository, whether that's GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or Azure DevOps, Vercel automatically detects it and triggers a deployment. To check the status, navigate to your Vercel dashboard and select your project. Click on Deployments in the sidebar. You'll see your latest production deployment listed here with the generated URL, commit details, and deployment logs. If your deployment shows up and completes successfully, you're done. If that didn't work or you need to manually redeploy, the next method is to redeploy from an existing deployment. This is useful when you've got bad cache data or other issues. From your Vercel dashboard, select your project and click on the Deployment section in the sidebar. Find the existing deployment you want to redeploy, then click the three dots button next to it. Click Redeploy from the menu. You'll see a Redeploy to Production window. Decide whether you want to use the existing build cache or not, then select the Redeploy button. After you send the request, you'll see a new deployment triggered on your project dashboard. Deployments triggered this way are marked in the list. Still need another option? The next method is to create a new deployment by commit SHA or branch. This is helpful when Git providers have service interruptions with webhooks, or you need to deploy a specific commit manually. From the dashboard, select your project and go to the Deployments tab. Click the three dots to the right of the deployments header and select the Create Deployment button. Now choose your deployment method. For targeted deployments, provide the unique ID or SHA of a commit to build that specific commit. For branch-based deployments, provide the full branch name to build the most recent changes from that branch. Select Create Deployment and Vercel will build and deploy. If the same commit appears in multiple branches, Vercel will prompt you to choose the appropriate branch configuration. If you prefer the command line, method 4 is CLI deployment. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command Vercel or Vercel deploy from the Vercel project root. If you want to deploy to production, add the --prod flag. When it deploys, the standard output will display the deployment URL. The final method is deploy hooks. This lets you trigger deployments programmatically without authentication or Git commits. Navigate to your project settings page and select the Git menu item. In the Deploy Hooks section, choose a name and select the branch that will be deployed. After submitting the form, you'll see a URL you can copy. To trigger the deploy hook, send a GET or POST request to that URL. You'll see the deployment triggered on your project dashboard, marked as Triggered by a Deploy Hook. In most cases, the automatic deployment in method 1 is all you need. Vercel automatically redeploys when you make commits. The other methods are for special cases like troubleshooting or custom automation. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.